Hey everyone, currently in Ravensburg. The city is located a little bit north to the Bodensee. It's an old city, 1,000 years ago the first mention of this city. I will say it's one of the few cities that were self-controlled during the Roman Empire. It's famous for the puzzles, especially in Germany. I don't know if outside as well. It's an old city. I mean, the center is more new. I mean, probably 500 years ago, or sometimes less. But the surrounding area, the wall and the guarding towers are from around 1,000 years ago. I hope you will enjoy the video that I'm taking from the city. Under the snow, it looks really nice. This is the city hall of Ravensburg. This is still using today as the city hall. And the officers inside. As I mentioned in previous videos, normally the small towns in Germany contain the Rathaus, the city hall, in the old area of the city. Near it will be the church. Not far from there will be the train station. And most of those cities are a little bit, during the week or in the winter, have nothing. Some of them, even during the weekend, have nothing for fun or bars or places to go out. In here, even though it's only 50,000 people, it have nice pubs, nice bars, restaurants, and even during the winter, during the week, in working days, it's nice to be here. Good atmosphere, nice bars, as I said, and it's not a dead city like other places that I've been there.
A fair lady in this town, who sorely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks.
Just to point out, this is not my first time in here. I was in the summer, I was in the winter. If you see that it's really snowing season in Germany, in October, November, or in the start of December, when just before the Christmas, when you still have the Christmas market open, it's really nice with the snow. It will be really nice atmosphere. You have enough restaurants and bars that open till late during the week. The prices are typical to Germany. A hotel will probably cost around 80 to 100 euro per night per couple for a room, include breakfast. Just distance for understanding where we are, it's like 2 hours from Munich airport and 2 hours from Zurich airport, not far from Bodensee lake, Constance, the border with Austria and Switzerland. And that's all. I hope you enjoy it. I'm enjoying the snow as much as I can.